to our place, our destination. This very beautiful river we took darshan of. After Chakratirth and Vyas Gadi, the place of Vyasadev, and then we've come to Gomti river. What is fruits of bathing in this river? This original Ganga, this Gomti Nadi. The scriptures have described this river very Gomti, like the original Ganga.
इस गोमती नदी में स्नान करने से समस्त पाप नष्ट होता है.
All our sinful reactions will be washed away by bathing in this river.
बहुत लोग यहाँ पर स्नान भी करते हैं.
Many people bathe here.
दीपदान की महिमा है.
And Deepdan, when we offer Heelam, like we do in the Yamuna and Ganga, and offering Heelam to Gomti river, all our sinful reactions will be washed away. Jyotirgamaya, go towards the light, go away from the darkness. In this way, the glories of this river. This is where the Srimad Bhagavatam started. There are katha in many different places, but in this Kali Yuga, it started from the conversation between Sutta and Shonak Adi Rishis. This conversation took place here. This place, Gurudev used to say, this place was so wonderful and beautiful. Many beautiful trees and decorated, like a forest on the banks of the river. The rishis and munis used to come and live here. At that time, like today we make houses, homes and temples. They did not make temples in those days. They used to... No, that's better. He was going to break that one as well. Sorry. What could be easily available, they used to live simply.
जैसे श्रीमद् भागवत वर्णन है, यहाँ पर मुनि ऋषि लोग हवन आदि करते थे, जैसे हम लोग वहीं पर गए थे, हवन कुंड आदि दर्शन किया, अष्टकोण युक्त जो है वो हवन कुंड यहाँ पर निरंतर जो है हवन होता है.
Where that fire was, with 8 corners, like an 8-pointed star.
उस समय ऋषि मुनि लोग आग को कैसे प्रकट कराते थे? अपने तपोबल से प्रकट कराते थे.
The rishis used to manifest the fire by mantras, by their own potency. 1800,000 rishis and munis, and performing austerities, fire sacrifice. By performing such sacrifice, their bodies became black from the smoke. Their bodies became black from the smoke, from performing sacrifice such a long time. Then Sutta Goswami appeared and showed them that in this Kali Yuga, what is the way for liberation? Listen to Srimad Bhagavad Katha. These 6 questions. Whatever was said in Srimad Bhagavatam, Shonakadi Rishi heard from Sutta Goswami. These 6 questions we explained to you earlier. These answers given by Sutta Goswami. He said, I heard this from Shukadeva Goswami. I am now presenting that to you. Because in Shastra, scriptures, it is said, just by reading and speaking, there's no benefit. But we have to hear from the lotus lips of Shri Guru. And this is called Shabda Brahma. There are 10 types of Praman. Shabda Praman is the main Mula. It's called in Vedanta Sutra.
शब्द प्रमाण ही मूल प्रमाण कहा गया। ये शब्द कहा के शब्द अर्थ होता है
शब्द meaning transcendental sound vibration.
इसे शब्द प्रमाण ही मूल प्रमाण है।
It's the main evidence. In other evidences, there may be some faults. Because in the living entities there are 4 types of fault. What types? 4? Brahm, Brahma, Pramad, Pralapsa, and Karnapat. Brahm, thinking one thing is another. This is Brahm. Like in the dark when you're walking and you see Rassi, you see a rope and you become frightened and thinking that it is a snake. This is called Brahm. Sarpa mein Raju Brahm, thinking a snake to be a rope and a rope to be a snake. Pramad, all the living entities are so absorbed in their eating, sleeping, mating and defending. They forget the Lord. Vipralipsa means the cheating propensity. This is in the conditioned living entities. And Karanapata means all our senses are nose, legs, eyes, ears. These are indriyas. One day they will stop working. The eyes will not be able to see properly. The ears will not be able to listen properly. At the time of death, you will put one finger, but you will see 2 fingers. Or 3. Then you should understand your death is near. Then every morning wake up and look at your finger and think how many fingers. If you see 2 fingers, then you should know. Then this is your Antim Din. Yes. One disciple asked the Gurudev, tell me, what should I do? Should I do devotional practice? Disciple said, when should I do this? Guru said, you should do this on your last day of your life. Now you're young, what need to practice devotional practice? Just play, study. When you get old, you can do devotional service. There's no need to practice now. Now just enjoy yourself, get married, build a house, have children. Nourish the children, bring them up. People say, build a nice house and eat and enjoy. Because when you're old, your eyes will not work, your legs will not move. Then you go to Vrindavan and do your devotional practice there. In the old people's home. Is it possible to do bhajan in the old age?
भजन नहीं होता। अरे भजन तो वृद्ध काल छोड़ दिए, 60 साल के बाद
even after 60 you cannot do bhajan. It's called sati.
60 साल में क्या हो जाता है?
Sati.
1000 उसने जितने समझा वो जो समझे है वही करेगा वो।
What he wants he will do. He won't listen to anyone.
वो कुछ नहीं होता है, क्योंकि देखो हमारे शास्त्र में लिखा है।
Because in Shastras it is written.
ये देखो हमारे शरीर क्या होते हैं, धीरे धीरे सारे इंद्रियां काम छोड़ देते हैं।
Will stop working slowly.
सतसंधि जर्जनम किमौषधि पृच्छति अरे ये शरीर जो है कितने संधि है, जोड़ है,
is made up of different pains. Not possible to do bhajan in the old age.
किमौषधि पृच्छते मूढ़मते, अरे मूढ़मते मूर्ख,
oh foolish person.
और इसके लिए औषधि क्या है?
What is the solution?
बोले कृष्ण नाम जप करो.
It's to chant Krishna's name, nothing else.
देखो बद्ध जीव में यही होता है.
So the conditioned living entities
भ्रम प्रमाद विपरीत
have these 4 things.
कारण पट हमारी इंद्रिय काम नहीं करना
शुरू करती. Vipalapsa Karanapat. The senses stop working.
इसलिए कहते हैं भाई भैरी भजन करो.
So now perform your bhajan devotional practice.
ये 4 दोष रहता है.
These 4 faults are in living entities. Karanapat.
ये रहता है जी. किंतु जो मुक्त महापुरुष होते
the
हैं
liberated
उनके
person,
चार दोष नहीं रहता।
they not have these four faults.
वो दिव्य नेत्र से वो सब
With their
दर्शन करते
transcendental vision,
हैं।
they
जिस
see,
प्रकार व्यास प्रसादेनो
just like
व्यास जी के
it's
कृपा से
said by
संजय
mercy of
धृतराष्ट्र
Vyasa,
के निकट
Sanjay,
सारे कुरुक्षेत्र की
by
युद्ध की
in
वर्णना
the
करने लगे,
association
बोलने लगे। गीता में लिखा है ना,
Dhritarashtra,
व्यास
he could see
प्रसादेनो
what
व्यास
was
जी की
happening
कृपा से
on the
संजय
battlefield of
सब
Kurukshetra.
कुछ दर्शन करके धृतराष्ट्र
Sanjay
के
could see and
बताया।
explain to this place has been
इस
touched
स्थान
by
में
the
बैठ करके
rishis and muni,
भजन साधन करते
and they
थे।
performed their
और
devotional
यहीं पर
practice
जो है,
here.
सुत गोस्वामी
Sutta
पाद
Goswami
शौनक
here
आदि ऋषि के
spoke
निकट
to Shonak
वह भागवत
rishis,
कथा श्रवण करा
Srimad Bhagavatam.
है। ये बहुत दिव्य स्थान है।
It's a very
गुरुदेव
transcendental
कहते थे,
place. Gurudev used to
ये
say
देखो, कृष्ण उस समय
at that
सुत गोस्वामी
time,
पाद जब आए,
Sutta
ये स्थान
Goswami,
इतने सुंदर
this
पवित्र था।
very
है।
pure
ये हम लोग
place.
इस स्थान पर आए हैं दर्शन
We've
के
come
स्थान
here
पे स्पर्श करने से
to
धूल करने
touch
से स्पर्श करने से
the soil here,
सब कुछ प्रकट हो जाए।
and everything will manifest in your
इसलिए हम
heart.
लोग को क्या करना चाहिए?
What should we do?
है? यहाँ पर हरि भजन करना
We
चाहिए।
should do Hari Bhajan here,
केवल स्नान करने से नहीं होता
not
है।
only by bathing.
है? देखो नदी में मछली है कि नहीं है?
In the
कुछ
fish
है
in
कि
the
नहीं है? है?
water, yes, there's
नदी में
boats,
मछली भी है और कछुआ भी है। क्या
sorry,
वो पवित्र है?
tortoise,
पवित्र नहीं।
but that's
है?
not
फल
pure.
फूल खा करके हरि
Eating-
मिले तो कितने बंदर बंदराई
By
वृंदावन में जाए।
eating
बंदर क्या
bananas
खाते
and fruits and things, the
फल फूल
monkeys
खाते नहीं।
will
फल
not
फूल
become
खा के
realized.
हरि मिले तो कितने बंदर बंदराई
So
और
many
दूध पी
monkeys.
करके
But
हरि मिले
if
तो
you
कितने
drink milk and attain the Lord,
बछड़ा, ये बछड़ा है ना,
there's
देखो।
so many calves there.
भगवान मिल जाता है।
Will you attain the
मीरा
Lord in
कहे,
this way?
बिना प्रेम से
Without
नहीं
Mira
मिले,
says, without love you cannot get
इसलिए
Nandalala.
हरि भजन करिए, प्रेम से हरि भजन करो।
Therefore, we should
Eh?
practice our
संत महात्मा
devotional
के संग
service
करो,
with love and
और
affection,
हरि नाम
and take the
कीर्तन करो।
association of
इस
sadhu
म्यूजिक में हरि नाम
and
करना पड़ेगा।
and do Harinam,
जैसे उन्होंने कथा सुना ना,
like we
तुलसीदास
explained.
बारी मत गिट्टई,
like we explained.
सिकताते बहुते, बिनु हरि भजन भवतरीय, सिद्धांत अपे। यह सिद्धांत है।
This Siddhanta of conclusion is
बारी
that
मते गिट्ट है।
you may
जल के मंथन करने से घी मिलता है।
ghee by churning water.
यदि जल के मंथन
You
करने
may
से
get-
मतने से घी मिल जाए, सभी लोग घर घर में
Everybody
क्या मिलेगा?
will get ghee in their house.
मिल जाएगी।
They'll get ghee on their chapatis every
नहीं
day.
मिलेगा।
No,
बारी
you'll not
मते
get this.
गिट्ट है। यदि कार्य बोले अच्छा कोई
If
कार्य मुझे
some
मिल
tells
गया,
me that they have got ghee
जल
from
को
water
मंथन करके
by
मुझे
churning
क्या
water,
मिला? घी मिला, मिलता है? नहीं
not
मिलता।
possible.
तब भी तुलसीदास कह
But
रहे हैं,
Tulsidas is
असंभव को
saying
संभव मान लेता
That
है।
is impossible, I accept as possible. And
Eh?
if you grind,
देखो, रेती का नाखू, बालू को पीस
if you
करके
grind
मुझे क्या मिल
sand,
गया? तेल मिल
and
गया।
I got oil,
हैं? यदि तेल मिल जाए
I
तो
may-
सारे तेल फैक्ट्री सब जगह बन जाएगा।
there'll be oil factories, refineries
दुकान से कोई
everywhere.
तेल
Nobody
नहीं
will buy oil from the
Eh?
shop.
करेगा कोई?
Nobody will buy, will they?
तथापि तुलसीदास जी
Still,
कह रहे
Tulsidas
हैं,
is saying,
अच्छा ये असंभव है, मान लिया।
I believe it
Eh?
if you tell me that.
ये रेत कणा को यानी बालू को पीस
If
करके
I
मुझे,
grind sand, I will get oil.
किंतु किसी ने कहा दिया
But
मैं
somebody
हरि भजन
told
नहीं
me,
किया, भगवत नाम
I did
जप
not
नहीं
do any
किया,
Hari
और
Bhajan devotional
भगवान
practice,
मुझे
and I attained the Lord.
मिल गया। हैं? ये झूठ है।
This is a
ये
lie.
इसलिए कहता है सबको हरि भजन करना पड़ेगा।
For this reason,
Eh?
everybody
और
has to
कलयुग में
practice
विशेष
devotional
करके
practice.
हरि भजन क्या है?
And this
ये
in Kali
भागवत
Yuga
कथा
particularly
श्रवण
is
करो
to listen to Srimad
और
Bhagavatam
हरि नाम
Katha
करो।
and chant the holy name.
हरे कृष्णा
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
कलियुग में केवल
In Kali Yuga, only Nama Adar,
सुमेरु सुमेरु नर
Uttare Par.
कुछ भी कर लीजिए, भागवत भी पढ़ लीजिए।
Do
यदि
anything.
हरि भजन नहीं किया, हरि नाम
Listen
नहीं
to
किया,
Srimad Bhagavatam.
कुछ
If you
नहीं।
haven't
ऐसे कहता है,
chanted Hare Nam,
हरे
then
नाम,
you have not
हरे
attained
नामैव
anything.
केवलम करो नास्तेव नास्तेव नास्तेव
Gatiranyatha.
हैं? शर्मा जी ठीक है कि नहीं है?
Yeah,
कुछ भी कर
Sharma,
लीजिए, जो कुछ
do
भी
whatever
करना है,
you
दान
want.
पुण्य सब कुछ करें,
Charity.
अच्छी बात है।
Very nice.
हैं? किंतु क्या करना पड़ेगा?
But what will you have to do? Hari Naam
लाट में तिलक रखाओ, जैसे आप लोग ने रखा तिलक, अच्छा लग
Just put tilak on your forehead. Looks very nice.
कंठे नास्ति त्रिकंटिका और
On
हृदय
your
नास्ति
neck,
गोविंद
put
स नर
tulsi.
उसरो उदाहृत। शास्त्र की वचन है।
This is the words of Shastra
ये
scripture.
वचन हमें सुनने में क्या लगते हैं?
Even if we don't like to hear this, it sounds
करेला
bitter,
कैसे लग रहे हैं?
like
क्या
Karela.
करे शास्त्र में?
But you have to listen, you have to do
क्या रखना
what's
चाहिए?
written.
ललाट पर
On your forehead, you should have tilak.
जैसे हमारे देखो क्या नाम है, पंडित जी,
Pandit
तिलक
here,
अच्छा लग रहा है कि नहीं लग रहा है?
very nice तिलक.
इसकी फोटो ले लो,
take a picture of
इंटरनेट
it
में दो,
and
बोले
put it on the
देखो,
internet.
हमारे पंडित जी की कैसे सुंदर तिलक रखा,
Yeah,
और
it was
हमारे
nice
कहाँ
tilak.
गए? मिश्रा जी देखो
Mishra ji,
तिलक है कि नहीं है?
is a tilak on his
और
forehead.
पंडित जी कहाँ गए? और देखो हमारे प्रभु मथुरा इसमें आए, दिल्ली से आए, सब भक्त
दिल्ली.
देखो, यहाँ तक कि विदेशी लोग देखो,
You see the
कोई
foreigners,
इंग्लैंड से आया, कोई अमेरिका से आया,
some
कोई फ्रांस
America,
से आया,
England, France,
साइबेरिया से आया,
Siberia,
मॉस्को से आ गया, साइड
New Zealand, New Zealand.
हाँ न्यूजीलैंड, बिल्कुल जो
Oh,
है समुद्र की अंतिम सीमा जो है, उसके पास और कोई देश नहीं है।
There's no other
फिजी,
place.
उसके बाद फिजी, फिजी के बाद और कोई देश नहीं।
And Fiji, there's
ऐसे
no
देखो
other
देश से लोग
country.
आए, देखो उन लोग भी तिलक धारण किया कि
They
नहीं
have
किया?
tilak on their forehead, have they not?
हाँ, और भी देखो
And
धोती भी पहनी हुई है,
वो
और
धोती
साड़ी भी पहनी हुई है।
and saris.
हमारे भारतीय सभ्यता संस्कृति उसके
and the following, the culture of
से
Bharat,
कहो हम क्या है?
we say very proudly, we're Hindu.
हिंदू में क्या रखना, चोटी रखना चाहिए कि
They
नहीं
have
चाहिए?
to have
देखो हमारे
shikha.
पंडित जी, चोटी रखा कि नहीं रखा?
Shiki-
हाँ,
shikha.
सब भी रखा
Yeah.
है? अभी रखा, अरे अभी तो रखे नहीं बहुत दिन से रखा तो है।
Yeah, Shah.
हाँ? हाँ बहुत अच्छी बात है। हाँ बस इसलिए ललाट पर तिलक रखना
So
चाहिए
you have to
और
tilak on your forehead
शिखा रखनी चाहिए।
and shikha
समझ में?
for the ladies as well.
भागवत में भी लिखा गया, शास्त्र में लिखा गया।
In the Shastra it is written.
कंठे नास्ति त्रिकंटिका,
Yeah.
गले में क्या रखना चाहिए?
Put
त्रिकंटिका रखना चाहिए, गले में तुलसी माला रखना चाहिए।
tulsi mala around your neck.
स्नानं नरकं जाति माघ स्नानं विशेषतः परस्त्री कंठ संलग्ना वैकुंठमाप्नोति। है कितना सुंदर श्लोक है।
Very beautiful shloka.
स्नानं नरकं जाति, प्रातः काल में स्नान करने से जीव कहाँ जाता है? कहाँ माने स्वर्गलोक में चले जाते हैं।
The jiva bathing in the morning goes to Swarga.
उठ करके
Every morning, waking up early and bathing, they attain Swarga, heavenly planets.
नरकं जाति, कहाँ माने
Not
स्वर्गलोक।
Swargalok. Narakam means Swargalok.
नरकं जो प्रातःकाल में
Narakam.
स्नान नहीं करता है वो कहाँ
Those
जाता है?
who don't bathe in the morning, they go to the hellish planet.
नरकं जाति
Prata Snanam,
माघ स्नान
Magha Snanam. Mag, in the month of Mag, should bathing in the Triveni Sangam, in the confluence of the three rivers, Saraswati, Ganga, and Jamuna. By bathing there, you go to Satyalok, above the heavenly planets, the place of Brahma. Parashri, Tulasi, the best of all ladies, Tulasi, you should put around your neck. You will attain Vaikuntha.
इसलिए गले में क्या धारण करना चाहिए?
Everyone should have Tulasi around their necks.
दूसरे के स्त्री को कान पकड़
Parashri doesn't mean that you hold some other person's wife and bathe with them in the water. This is the opposite meaning that others, foolish people, they give how to have darshan,
कैसे दर्शन करो? मातृवत,
how you should see other ladies as your mothers.
परो नारी
Matrivat.
शास्त्र में लिखा गया।
In Shastra it is said,
स्त्रियों के कैसे दर्शन करो?
as your mother, you should see other ladies as your mother.
छोड़ करके और किसी देश
In
को ऐसे
other countries, they do not do this.
भारत माता
Mata
की
ki jai,
कहते नहीं हम लोग?
we say, do we not?
भारत माता,
Bharat,
भारत वर्ष हमारी क्या माँ
So taking birth in Bharat Bhumi, the demigods, they pray to be born here. This is the glories of this land. Where does this name come from? Rishabh Dev's son, Bharat Maharaj. Some say Shakuntala's son, Bharat. No, Srimad Bhagavatam says Rishabh Dev's son, Bharat Maharaj. This name of this land was given before it was known as Ajranab Vars. Rishabh Dev's son, Bharat Maharaj. Satkare Paraparakar. By taking birth in this land, it's very difficult. So the demigods, they pray to take birth here. Why? All our incarnations, they appeared here. Bharat Bhumi. Ram, Krishna, where did they appear? Here in Bharat. First. And Ramchandra in Treta Yuga appeared in Ayodhya. The creator, maintainer of all universes, Shyamasundar in Vrindavan. All the Rishi and Munis is called Tapo Bhumi. All our holy rivers are in Bharat. It's not an easy thing to take your birth here in this. Some people take it for granted. The Lord gives us a chance. Chance, yeah. To give us birth in this land, He's given us one opportunity. Wherever you go, you'll be able to hear the holy names of the Lord. Even if you don't want to, the names of Krishna and Ram, you will be able to hear. Wake up in the morning in any mic or sound system. Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vrindavan mein jao. Go to Vrindavan, you'll hear the Gayatri Mantra continuously, incessantly, from early morning. When you wake up, you will hear the names of the Lord. In any other country, you will not be able to do this. England, America, Australia, go and see. Not possible. Babushka. But you go to Bharat, such a land, Devo Bhumi, Rishi Bhumi. Therefore, the sages, saints glorify this land all over the world. This was a whole planet, just like Russia. Which place we go in Russia? That is, which place in Russia? The Caspian Sea. Balkan Sea. Baltic Sea. Bhumi was the whole world. The rishis used to go into those places and perform austerities. But time has made it smaller and smaller. Kabul and Kandahar, Afghanistan used to be all part of Gandhar Pradesh, Afghanistan. But slowly, this is becoming diminished because we're not performing devotional. Because the irreligious persons, they come and they are destroying this very precious practice of devotional life. Therefore, what should we do? We should take this path and follow sincerely. If we follow, then others will follow. Is that not so? But if you don't follow, why will others follow? How will others follow? Practice yourself and teach others. For this reason, this Bharat Bhumi, this very sacred river, Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati, Kaveri, Narmada, Gomti, these are all holy places that we visit. You will not find anywhere else.
छानबीन करके मैं घूम
I have traveled the four corners of the world for 27 years. I've traveled and still going.
अभी न्यूजीलैंड में से आ रहा हूँ,
Just coming from New Zealand.
विशाल समुद्र है,
It's a great Pacific Ocean.
हम दर्शन किया,
We have
देखा,
seen
तब हमें
Indian
अनुभव हुआ
Ocean.
कि हमारे भारत भूमि
We
कैसी है।
have experienced how our country, Bharat Bhumi, the cow is worshipped. In other countries, they kill the cow. But in this country, the cow is protected and worshipped.
बोलो गो माता
Ki Jai!
भारत माता
Ki Jai! Srila Bhaktivedanta Goswami Maharaj Ki Jai! Jai Tapobhumi Ki Jai!
नमिसारण्य
Ki Jai!
हैं?
Jai Jai Shri Radhe Shyam!
जय जय
Shri Radhe Shyam!
भक्तिवेदांत पद गोस्वामी महाराज की नैमिषारण्य की
Jai!
गोमती नदी जू की
Jai!
जय जय
Shri Radhe!
गौर प्रमानंदे
Hari Hari!
महाप्रसाद की
दे दे मुझे दे दे। जय श्री गुरुदेव की जय, आज की आनंद की जय, गोमती नदी की जय, नैमिषारण्य धाम